Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we're gonna try a super cool, easy cake recipe. This is a no-bake chocolate cake made in a milk pan. Yes, you heard it right. We're gonna make this cake in a milk pan. You can also try it out in a frying pan. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Let's start making the cake batter. Add in 2 whole eggs, half a cup of sugar, and whisk it till it becomes frothy. Add in some oil. You can use any vegetable oil and mix it. Now let's add all the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and some salt. Sift it and add it into the mixture. Now add around 1/4 cup of milk and few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Once the batter becomes smooth and flowing consistency, take a non-stick milk pan and apply some butter to grease it. You can also use a normal non-stick frying pan, but in milk pan you will get the shape of a cake. Now let's pour in the chocolate cake batter. Now close it with a lid, and if there is any hole in the lid, just close it with a small tissue paper and place this on an extremely low flame. And it took around 30 minutes to cook my cake. To check, insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, our cake is perfectly ready. Cool it down completely and run a silicone spatula on the sides, because this is a non-stick pan, so don't use a knife to do the same. Now flip it onto a plate, and here it is. Our delicious no-bake chocolate cake is ready. Dust some confectioner sugar on top. Now add some chocolate peels. You can do that with a piece of dark chocolate and a vegetable peeler. Let's cut this and see the texture of this cake. Wow, look at that. This is super soft and very moist chocolate cake. While making this cake, you just have to take care of 2 simple things. You have to make this cake in a non-stick pan, and you have to cook this on an extreme low heat. Once you take care of these 2 things, you're gonna get a super easy chocolate delicious cake. And this recipe was given to me by my friend Femida. Thank you so much, Femi, for this wonderful recipe. I'm making this cake almost every day now. So friends, give this video a big thumbs up and definitely try this recipe at home, and give me your valuable suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Do check it out. Thank you.